All right, so as you can see, we have our 4 suspension systems. The right side of the car is actually on the left side of the table, and vice versa. All of our control arms are completely welded, pretty expertly done by Professor Teddy at Delta. All 8 of them on all 4 systems. Everything has its corresponding bolts. The bolts fit through perfectly. Nuts, they're just not screwed on completely at the moment. All the time joints, tie rods spin freely. The ball joints spin freely as well. It's like very important to have while we're driving. We also have all 4 of our shocks. They're all the same shock for simpler design. We have very little work left to do. We just have these spring plates. They were all cut out along with the pegs on them that the spring will be mounting into. Everything's already cut out. The holes are drilled. I have all of them right here. Those just need to be welded onto the control arm. And that's pretty much it for that. Control arms fit perfectly. If they were actually vertical and mounted, they line up great. And it's the same for all of them. The front ones have a lot more movement because the front has a double-ended ball joint for extra movement because those get bolted into the top instead of having like a straight bolt through the side here. And yeah, it's pretty much our completed project, just a little bit more welding to do.